Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this Hyundai Getz. Specifically, we're changing one of the most commonly broken parts on the interior of the car, the interior door handle. As you can imagine, it is quite a straightforward job, but of course we still make these videos as promised as part of the cross-sell of our product online. Now, if you do need this product, we do have them available here at Parts Factory Australia. So I'll put the link in the description of the video. Get on there, buy the handle. They're $38.30, delivered anywhere in Australia, free express post. Yes, we have international postage if you are an international viewer. But other than that, guys, it's gonna be about a 5-minute job. A few little bits and pieces. We're gonna need a little Stanley knife just to basically pop the little trim piece open, Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and of course a color matched door handle. There are two colors. You got the dark black plastic and the light black plastic. So make sure you pick and choose that before you purchase it. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Guys, if you're interested in those drift trikes, I am gonna put the link in the description of this video. Cruise on, check them out. I'm pretty sure they have a Boxing Day sale coming up. So yeah, check that out. Guys, as you can see, the bezel around this is cracked, but there's nothing actually wrong with the door handle. So I will be reinstalling this one, but I'll just demonstrate how it's done. You put your little flathead or a little knife in there and pop that little cap open. And then using Phillips head screwdriver, come in, obviously take that little Phillips head out. You can open the door handle and grab it out, etc. And then you can grab it like this and drag it forward. And you see those little blue tabs behind there? Basically, grab a flathead screwdriver and you can just go like this, and then you can pop that up into the air and do the same thing with this one, but this second one is a little harder because as you can see, it's hard to get in there. So just pop it like that. Like so, and then you can just pop it up like that, and that is literally it, guys. Obviously, you grab your new door handle, bring it over, make sure everything's the same, etc., etc., and then yeah, do the same process and repeat, just like this. Alrighty guys, as this car was a sales car, we have decided to replace it with one of our new Parts Factory ones. As you can see, they are an exact OEM replica. So same color, and basically they're also, I believe, fortified to be stronger than the original OEM one as well, which is good, because I'd say you'd be replacing this because of either this condition that they get to, where the plastic breaks down, or the handle has snapped entirely like that. So there you go. Alrighty guys, so grab your new door handle and you can flop that little flap open so it's ready to go, and grab your flathead screwdriver, and you basically just grab the rod like so and pop it in like so, and then you can grab the blue flap with the screwdriver, and you bring it around and then just pull out and pop it into place. Same thing up here. Grab your rod with your screwdriver, popping it into place, and then pop the blue flap, and then yeah, of course, put the door handle back into place. And grab your little Phillips head screwdriver into the hole, tighten up, and that's it, guys. So don't forget, if you need this part, cruise onto the webby, links in the description of the video. But other than that, guys, super duper straightforward, and yeah, I bet you've saved a few dollars coming through us and doing it yourself. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.